Here we got a pair of winter boots. Last winter I studied the left one here with the sheet metal screws. Some places with washers below to make them a bit standing out better. They didn't give a very good grip, better but not good. So this season I studied this one to the right here. First I drilled holes and must be careful not to drill through the rubber soles. I put a marker there how far I could drill, and I noted the drill wanted to pull itself in, a bit dangerous. You have to resist it. Usually you have to push the drill to get it going. So, and then I took sheet metal screws, you see them there, put them in a vise and used these adjustable pliers to break them off to the right length. Screw them in with the adjustable plier, and I had a good grip, and I could adjust the grip by screwing them in or out with the adjustable pliers. So winter is finished for this time, hopefully, but we'll see what's coming up next.